Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 15th, 2023, and you're currently looking at a table olive tree. This is just an update on the size of this tree. Now, it was kind of leaning for a while there, so we propped it up with two different 2x4s. I'm going to eventually take that last 2x4 away, take away that additional support, but it seems to be establishing very well in this location. I think it's pretty well established. It hasn't produced any olives yet, but when that happens, you will be the first to know. Nothing real serious going on with this olive tree. It's just growing really nicely here in the Florida sugar sand, out in the full sun location. No chemicals, no insecticides, no anything. Just water and sunshine and sugar sand. Folks, thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, as that helps us out tremendously. Have a great day.